Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create deep links in Clickup Docs using the table of contents. This is super useful when you're working with long documents and want to jump directly to specific sections. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once it loads, sign in to your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, head to the Docs section or open the specific doc where you want to add deep links. Once the doc is open, make sure your content is organized with proper headings. Highlight a line of text, then change it to a heading style like heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3. Each heading you add will automatically appear in the table of contents, which ClickUp usually shows on the side of the document. Now, to use deep linking, open the table of contents. When you hover over any heading in the list, you'll see a link icon. Click that icon to copy the deep link for that specific section. This link will take anyone directly to that exact heading inside the doc. You can paste this deep link anywhere you want. For example, you can add it to another ClickUp doc, a task description, a comment, or even share it externally with teammates who have access. This makes navigation way faster, especially for onboarding docs, SOPs, or project documentation. Another helpful tip is updating headings if your document changes. The table of contents updates automatically, and the deep links stay connected to the headings, so you don't need to recreate links every time you edit content. This keeps everything clean and organized. You can also combine deep links with comments or task mentions. For example, you can comment on a task and paste a deep link to a specific doc section so teammates know exactly where to look. No confusion, no scrolling. And that's it. Using deep links with the table of contents in ClickUp Docs makes your documentation easier to navigate, share, and manage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips. So yeah,